everyone, and welcome to Blair's channel. Today is already the third day of the GILE. In this video, I'll take you through the Smart Lighting Hall 10.3 and the Eco Lighting Halls 9.2 to 11.2. Behind me is the main corridor of these halls. The foot traffic here shows a strong trend towards systematization, with major Western integrators focusing on these halls. The main highlight of these halls is that they're almost entirely dedicated to smart lighting system integration. Overseas buyers flocking here can get the most valuable first-hand info on using software control, AI dimming algorithms, and the latest 2026 green tech to boost a project's premium by over 5 times. As we all know, the era of selling individual LED products is over. Buyers no longer pay for just a lamp's casing. They pay for systemic energy efficiency and reliability. So as a major overseas buyer, how should you choose suppliers and stay updated on the latest trends in China's supply chain? Currently, China's smart ecosystem is full of chaos and white labeling. Many factories claim to support Matter or DALI 2, but they're just using low-end Toya or generic gateways. Once you exceed 50 connection nodes, you'll likely see widespread and frequent disconnections. But our systems can't self-heal after a network failure, so true commercial standards must support Matter over thread mesh networking. The advantage of China's supply chain lies in hardware cost control and incredibly fast customization. Global giants like Schneider and Siemens focus on the stability of the underlying KNX bus, but their lead times are long and prices are sky high. China's supply chain disrupts this by embedding mature wireless thread industrial protocols into high-efficiency hardware, breaking foreign tech monopolies. Regarding the highly popular topic of healthy lighting, what are the key compliance parameters you need to know? As you know, international markets, especially in Northern Europe and North America, prioritize human-centric circadian lighting in the EU's new CBAM carbon regulations. Buyers and our supply chain must meet these strict requirements, which means you need to provide 2 critical pieces of data. First, in spectral testing, the Melanopic lux ratio must reach 0.35 to 0.95 during adaptive circadian periods. Second, your supply chain must provide a complete Scope 3 carbon footprint audit report. Keep these 2 points in mind to help you screen for high-quality suppliers. Buying a smart system is about buying stability, not just cheap hardware, which is essentially useless in the long run. I've compiled a report on 4 brands that passed thread stability tests in these holes, plus a 2026 CBAM compliance guide. Comment, report, and I'll share it with you. Bye-bye.